be okay. I just need to stay outside of this blasky.
Right. I had this application for a summer apprenticeship, and it had to be submitted by the weekend. And you slapped the text for me, and completely corrupted. Oh, I don't know what happened to it. It was fine yesterday.
Yeah. Yes. Tell us what was it about? Oh, the big one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh no, next is Chaos Cotton Quinoa. Gonna pick it. Hurry.
Gotta take care of the planet, right?
Or else the planet will take care of us, right?
Yeah. Well, some of us care, or it's your house.
Hey, I can help with this. I have all these cameras and this editing software.
Really?
Yeah. And this will be easy. We can reshoot this.
It has to be today.
Today?
Oh, just for your graduation. No.
My buddy Trey, he's good with all this stuff too. He can get that. No way. He can get that.
Really?
Yeah. Not a problem. I'm sure. Yeah.
Okay. Take this one back. So, give me a bit. That's what I'll get done for protection. And in 3, 2, 1, go. And it's very nice. Hit the red button if you like it. I'm steering. Oh, whoa. Wait, let me check on that. Thank you. It is funny. I like that guy. He's so nice. Wow. Abang, abang tadi pergi dalam. Oh my god, it's scary. Let's see how much can I get. I reached deep. Below a C. Oh no. Oh, 50. Nice. Well, I'm gonna make another one. Hey guys, I'm back. Here's my good thing. Let's go! AOB Slay all day. This is my favorite song already. What? It's not moving. Oh, it's really stuck. Is it still there? Wait. It is. I have more VR. I think I have more things.
Oh, I can't move. My tires are stuck. Can you help me? You're welcome. How did you get stuck? I keep missing a few left after the road work. But the brake wouldn't try again. So when I tried to do my cleaning, my back tire got stuck. That's what happened. Thanks to you for helping me, I made it out.
Doing good so far. Yeah, I'm gonna start doing later. Let's see how many dogs do we. Hey guys, I'm back. So today I'm gonna open these. Oh bye. Yes, I haven't get that yet. Oh nice. I have that. Huh? Okay. I finally have a cannon. Oh, I don't like that. I'm gonna buy this. Just for fun, so only one. So only that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, hit that like button down below. let's get 1 million likes, and I'm gonna do something very creative. So yeah, bye bye. See you.